Ever dreamt of working less and making more money? Well, buckle up because I'm about to drop 18 proven ways to turn that dream into a reality. Let's dive in. First up, automate your tasks. By leveraging technology to handle repetitive tasks, you free up time to focus on high-value activities that bring in more cash. Next, optimize your pricing strategy. Don't undervalue your worth. Increase prices strategically to boost your income without working extra hours. Third, outsource non-core activities. Delegate tasks that don't directly contribute to your bottom line, allowing you to concentrate on income-generating tasks. Fourth, diversify your income streams. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore multiple revenue sources to increase your overall earnings. Fifth, negotiate better deals. Whether it's with clients or suppliers, sharpen your negotiation skills to secure more lucrative agreements. Sixth, focus on high-paying clients. Identify and target clients willing to pay a premium for your services, maximizing your income potential. Seventh, invest in self-improvement. Continuous learning and skill development can lead to higher-paying opportunities in the long run. Eighth, leverage passive income streams. Create products or assets that generate income without your active involvement, giving you more time freedom. Ninth, set clear financial goals. Having specific targets motivates you to work smarter, not harder, towards achieving financial success. 10th, prioritize tasks based on ROI. Focus on activities that yield the highest return on investment, ensuring your efforts are well rewarded. 11th, embrace the power of networking. Build strong relationships with industry peers and potential clients to unlock new opportunities for growth. 12th, streamline your workflow. Eliminate inefficiencies in your work processes to boost productivity and create space for more income-generating activities. 13th, stay updated on market trends. Being informed about industry developments helps you capitalize on emerging opportunities for increased earnings. 14th, invest in marketing. Promote your services effectively to reach a wider audience and attract more lucrative clients. 15th, track your finances. Monitor your income and expenses closely to identify areas for improvement and optimize your financial performance. 16th, seek mentorship. Learn from successful individuals who have achieved the work-life balance you desire, gaining valuable insights to accelerate your own journey. 17th, practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being to maintain peak performance and avoid burnout, ensuring sustained success in the long term. And finally, take action. Implement these strategies consistently and watch as your income grows while your workload diminishes. Ready to work less and make more? Start applying these tips today and transform your financial future. Let's make it happen.